Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches, and welcome to an unboxing episode. Got something in here from my buddy Kevin, who is a subscriber to the channel, and I have been kind of jonesing, right? Look, I go through Seiko fatigue, and but every once in a while, I get the Seiko bug, and it bites. Let me take the package out of the bag, and there's Wayne right there. He's watching, and so I toyed with the idea of getting another Seiko. I don't know how many Seikos that is. It's probably way too many. I go through them. They never really stay in a collection. Maybe that's a sign. But I just go through them. But I like them and I enjoy them for when I have it. And then I'm off with them. So maybe they're just like maybe it's just harmless, right? Maybe I'm reading too much into like having to find the perfect watch every time. And so I've been jonesing for a Sumo specifically. And my buddy Kevin, he happens to have one. And he said, do you want to take a look at it? And of course I said, I would love to. And this is the SPB175. I think it's a white dial Sumo or gray dial Sumo. Oh yes. Wow, it comes with a flashlight too. Wow, that's pretty nice. I like the Sumo. It's a little bit different than some of the other divers, Seiko divers. I just love these like big fonts on the dial. What a cool watch. I've always was afraid of the size proportions of it, right? It's a big watch, especially the lug to lug. It's almost 53 millimeter lug to lug. My buddy Chris over at the Watch Lounge sent me one of his, he sent me a Sumo about last year, and I was like, wow, this is all right. This fits me pretty well. And so let's take a look here. It looks like Kevin has a little bit of a bigger wrist than mine. Yeah, I mean, I like this. What a great color. It looks like it has like a waffle dial. It feels a little heavy on wrist. But that's okay. I don't mind that so much. Just a good looking diver. I like the bracelet. I do. I mean, the clasp is okay, right? It's still stamped, but whatever. It's Seiko. But other than that, I like the bracelet. I like the fact that I like that it has smaller lugs here. I think these are 20 millimeters. Usually with a big watch like that, you're expecting 22 or even 24. But I like how the lugs twist in here. It's a little different than some of the other Seiko dive watches that I've had experience with. I like the 4 o'clock crown. Bezel action is great and lines up nicely, looks like. I'm looking through the camera, so I'll be able to study it a little bit more in detail. But fun watch. Look forward to reviewing it. It's in great shape. Thanks, Kevin, for sending this in. And I'll see you guys with a review on this soon. Take care.